The 2016 Mini Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom, and it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, Harman Kardon sound system, heated seats, navigation system, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, front air conditioning, aluminum wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.